In today's video, I am going to teach you how to combine formulas in one cell in Excel. This is a useful skill when you want to calculate something based on a condition, and also display a clear result in a single cell. In this example, we will build one combined formula in cell D2, using an if statement to decide which text to show, along with the proper number formatting for the calculated value. First, click cell D2 where you want the combined formula to appear. Take a moment to notice that cell D2 is in column D and row 2. Choosing the correct starting cell matters because Excel will place your formula exactly where your cursor is, and later you will fill it down the column. Next, you will start typing the conditional function. With cell D2 selected, type $if to begin the logical wrapping function. The if function is what allows Excel to test a condition, and then return one outcome if the condition is true, and a different outcome if the condition is false. At this point, you should see the function begin appearing in the formula bar or inside the cell. Now you will set the evaluation condition. Type B2, 15000 to set the rule. This means Excel will check the value in cell B2 and compare it to 15000. If the value in B2 is greater than 15000, the if test will be considered true, and Excel will use the next part of the formula to calculate the bonus message. Then you will add the text for the positive outcome. Type bonus tokens name in kest B2 ton.1, bonlo darkshup dark and 00. This part combines text with a calculation and also formats the result as currency. The bonus tokens name portion creates a readable label. The ampersand, the symbol and, tells Excel to join the label with the next expression. Inside text, B2 *0, 1 calculates 10% of the value in B2. The text function then formats that number using the pattern $###0, which helps display it in a clear currency style with commas and no decimal places. After that, you will provide the negative outcome argument. Type no bonus to complete the if function. This closes the function and tells Excel what to show when the condition B2 15000 is not met. So if B2 is 15000 or less, the cell will return the text no bonus instead of the bonus message and formatted currency value. Once your formula is fully entered, press Enter on your keyboard to run both formulas in one cell. Excel will immediately evaluate the if statement based on the current value in B2, and it will display the correct result in D2. It is a good moment to confirm that the output makes sense because this verifies that your condition, math, and formatting are all working together correctly. Next, click cell D2 again. This reselects the cell so you can use the fill feature. Excel will highlight the formula cell, and you will be ready to copy the combined logic down the rest of the column. Now you will use the fill handle to duplicate the formula for other rows. Hover over the bottom right corner of cell D2 until a black plus sign, the fill handle plus appears. This is Excel's visual cue that you can drag or double-click to fill adjacent cells with the same structure. Finally, double-click to flash fill the combined formula down column D. Excel will automatically detect the pattern and populate the formula in the cells below D2, adjusting the row references as it goes. For example, the condition that checks B2 will become B3 for the next row, and so on. So each row uses its corresponding value. And that covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.